when my eye was in her phase of retirement, she used to many a times tell me that, what do I do now once I retire? My entire life has been set into this office routine from 9 to 5, and suddenly I feel that I'm left with nothing. I feel that there's not much meaning to my life now. And whenever I'm occupied in something I love, it really makes me happy. The other day, one of my client told me that, doctor, the entire life I had been sacrificing my career for the sake of my kids, and now my kids have grown up, they've moved to another country for their higher studies. My husband is totally occupied in his work, and I feel that where am I? Who am I? And I can't deal with this identity crisis. It really bothers me. Then once the elderly couple just expressed themselves like, doctor, our son, since his marriage, he had been shifted in some different place, and we feel that void, that loneliness. We miss our communication, the affection we had between each other, and we feel that he doesn't ask for us anymore. And we feel very sad about this. What is this? This is a phase in one's life which is called as empty-nest syndrome. Okay, and it can also occur in single mothers or single fathers who are like caregivers, caretakers for their children or the elderly people. Or it can also occur in unhappy marriages where a partner feels this intense loneliness, this sadness, this grief within themselves. Or I believe that anyone can experience it at any phase or time of their life, right? So how do we go about this? Firstly, we need to accept, appreciate, and acknowledge that all these emotions and feelings that we are facing are normal. Secondly, journaling our thoughts, our emotions, our feelings helps us a lot. Thirdly, expressing to someone who really understands us and who empathizes with us really helps. And finally, if all these measures don't suffice, then the best thing is to approach a counselor, a therapist, or a doctor for that matter. Because if our emotions, thoughts, feelings are kept unhealed, or if they are, avoided from time to time, they can take form of any physical ailment, which can later transform itself into any disease, maybe physical form or a mental disease. And I believe that whenever something is empty, it is so beautiful because it has all the possibilities to fill itself with beautiful and wonderful colors. Okay, so if you are the one who are feeling this emptiness and want to add a color to it, homeopathy offers a holistic and scientific form of treatment which treats the person as a whole, which treats and considers both the